Hello friends, I am Satakshi and today I am going to tell you about a very important part of body which is heart. Heart is a muscular organ which acts as a pump to keep the blood in circulation. It is situated within the chest cavity toward the left side. It is enclosed in the double-walled membrane called pericardium. The wall of the heart are chiefly made up of cardiac muscles. Now we will know about chambers of the heart. Internally, the heart is divided into four chambers. Two thin-walled upper chambers called atria, singular atrium or auricles, and two thick-walled lower chambers are called ventricles. Now we will know how the circulation of blood takes place in heart. Step 1. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava bring deoxygenated blood from all over the body to the right atrium. Step 2. Blood from the right atrium passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Step 3. Pulmonary artery arising from the right atrium carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Step 4. Four pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Blood from the left atrium passes through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. Step 5. From left ventricle aorta, which is the largest artery, distributes the blood all over the body. Do you know what the term circulation means? Circulation means the continuous flow of blood inside the body is termed as circulation. The heart consists of a fiber known as Purkinje fiber. Its outer layer is known as pericardium. Heart consists of a connective tissue which is known as blood. Now we will know a little bit about the blood. Blood is divided into two groups, plasma and blood cells. So, first we will move on the plasma. Plasma is a straw-colored watery part of the blood. It consists of 55% of blood. Now we will move on blood cells. The percentage of blood cell is 45%. There are three types of blood cell: red blood cell, white blood cell and blood platelets. Red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. This is its scientific name. The function of red blood cell is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissue and carry carbon dioxide from the tissue to lung. Now we will move on to the white blood cells. These are also known as leukocytes. These protect the body by destroying disease-causing organisms. This is very necessary and also known as army of the body. Blood platelets. These are also known as thrombocytosis. These prevent loss of blood by forming a clot over the wound. Now we will move on the term heartbeat. Heartbeat is also known as cardiac cycle. One complete contraction and relaxation of the heart is known as a heartbeat or a cardiac cycle. This is of two types, systole and diastole. The contraction of the chambers of the heart is referred as systole and relaxation of the heart is referred as diastole. Now we will move on the term blood transfusion. Transfer of blood from one person to another is termed as blood transfusion. There are four groups of blood: A, which consists of antigen A and antibody B; B, antigen B and antibody A; AB, antigen A and B and non-antibody; O, none and antibody A and anti-B. Now I will give a little information about blood group A, B and O. Blood of O group can be given to all the groups and hence it is known as universal donor. A people with the AB blood group can receive blood of all groups, hence it is known as universal recipient. By this video we came to know about many important information about heart. So like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.